Have you ever wondered why we get back pain, why we choke so easily on food, or why our eyes, these incredible biological cameras, still have a blind spot? It's easy to think of these as design flaws. But what if I told you they're not mistakes at all, they're evolution's compromises? Because nature doesn't design for perfection, it designs for survival. Every flaw in your body hides a story of adaptation, mutation, and luck. Let's explore how evolution designed the human body's flaws, and why the very things that make us suffer also make us human. Standing up was a mistake, but a brilliant one. 4 million years ago, our ancestors made a radical move. They stood up. Walking on 2 legs gave them freedom to carry food, make tools, and see farther than ever before. But that freedom came with a cost. Our spine, once made for walking on all 4s, had to twist into an S shape to keep us balanced. That elegant curve we rely on is also why millions of us suffer from lower back pain. We gained balance, but lost durability. Evolution doesn't build for perfection, it just builds for good enough. The deadly throat design. Next, let's talk about one of evolution's most dangerous compromises: your throat. Unlike most animals, humans share a single passage for air and food. Our trachea and esophagus intersect. A risky design that lets us speak, but also lets us choke. It's a design flaw that kills thousands every year. But it's also what makes human language possible. When our ancestors' voice box dropped lower, they gained the ability to produce complex sounds, the birth of speech itself. The backwards eye. Now your eyes. They seem like masterpieces, but they're actually wired backwards. In the human eye, the light-sensing cells are behind a layer of nerves. The optic nerve punches through the retina, creating a literal blind spot. An octopus doesn't have this problem. Its eye evolved differently, with wiring that makes more sense. But evolution doesn't start from scratch. It reuses whatever's available. We inherited our eye design from fish, and nature just kept building on top. Flawed, yes, but functional enough to see the stars. Brains too big for birth. The human brain, evolution's proudest creation, and its biggest liability. As our brains grew larger, childbirth became far more dangerous. The pelvis, reshaped for upright walking, narrowed the birth canal. And our oversized heads turned labor into one of the riskiest moments in human life. That's why human babies are born so helpless. They arrive early with underdeveloped brains. Because if we stayed in the womb any longer, we might not fit out at all. We traded safety for intelligence, and it defined our species. Leftovers from our past. Not all flaws are dangerous. Some are just leftovers. Wisdom teeth once helped us chew raw plants and meat. Now they're painful, useless molars that often need removal. The appendix, a relic from when our ancestors digested tough vegetation. Now it's a small pouch that can inflame, but evolution never removed it. And goosebumps, once used to puff up our ancestors' fur for warmth or fear, now just appear when your favorite song gives you chills. Evolution doesn't delete what isn't fatal. It just forgets to clean the code. Knees that wear out too soon, eyes that blur, teeth that crowd, hearts that clog. The human body is a museum of ancient adaptations, each one a fossil of survival. Our back pain reminds us of the day we stood up. Our choking hazard whispers the price of language. Our blind spot reflects evolution's messy wiring. We are not perfectly designed. We are beautifully improvised. Our flaws carried us from savannas to skyscrapers to the edge of space. Because sometimes imperfection is evolution's greatest achievement. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe. And stay curious.